Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function round. Hi Python learners. In today's video, we're diving into the round function, a simple yet essential tool for rounding numbers in Python. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use round, when to use it, and some practical examples to make your calculations cleaner. Let's get started. What is round? It's a built-in Python function that rounds a number to a specified number of decimal places. Here's the syntax. The number argument is the number that you want to round. The n digits, an optional argument, would represent the number of decimal places that you want to round to. If omitted, it defaults to 0, and the function returns an integer. The function will return the rounded number. Why use round? It's designed to simplify numerical calculations by reducing precision to a manageable level. Key concepts include: rounding is based on mathematical rules. Round uses the nearest even method, also known as Banker's rounding. When no n digits is provided, round returns the nearest integer. It's helpful in calculations, data presentation, and handling floating point precision issues. You'd use round when you want to format numbers for display, such as limiting decimal places in reports. Rounding values in mathematical calculations to a specific precision, or if you're handling floating point errors in financial or scientific computations. Let's start with the basic example of rounding to the nearest integer. Here, the round function rounds 4.7 up to 5 and 4.3 down to 4, following standard rounding rules. Now, let's round to a specified number of decimal places using the n digits parameter. In this example, round reduces the numbers to the specified precision for cleaner outputs. The round function uses Banker's rounding, where ties round to the nearest even number. Let's see this in action. Here, 2.5 rounds down to 2, and 3.5 rounds up to 4, ensuring balanced rounding over many calculations. The round function works with negative numbers too. Negative numbers follow the same rounding rules as positive numbers. The round function can handle large numbers, including those with many decimal places. Here, the round function reduces the decimal places of a large number while preserving its magnitude. Here are some important points about the round function. The n digits parameter is optional. Without it, the function returns an integer. It's a good practice to use round when presenting data to avoid floating point precision issues. For more advanced rounding needs, consider the decimal module for better control over rounding behavior. And that's the round function. To recap, it's a simple yet powerful tool for rounding numbers in Python. It supports integer rounding, decimal precision, and large numbers. It's ideal for formatting and simplifying numerical outputs in your projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!